This is the future of heart health. SanketLife 2.0, the world's smallest and smartest 12-lead ECG device. Inside the box, you'll find the SanketLife device, a user manual, and a battery pre-installed for your convenience. Simply download the SanketLife mobile app from the Play Store or App Store and ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on for seamless connection. SanketLife 2.0 supports 3 ECG types: single lead, 6 lead, and a full 12 lead ECG, making it perfect for anyone, anywhere. To take a single lead ECG, place both thumbs gently on the device front sensors. In just 15 seconds, view your real time ECG and get a downloadable PDF report instantly on your phone. For a more detailed 6-lead ECG, place your right thumb on the device while touching the side sensor to your left leg. Or you can touch the side sensor on your left side of abdominal as per your convenience. The most accurate method, a full 12-lead ECG. Place your right thumb on the top sensor, then the side sensor on your left side of abdominal, and finally touch the side sensor on your chest at position V1 through V6. The app will also guide you through each and every point. Track over 30 irregularities including arrhythmia, stress levels, and cardiac risk, all in real time. Just 72 in length and weighing only 35 grams, this pocket-sized device is 98% accurate, compact enough to carry, reliable enough to trust. It's wireless, leadless, and powered by BLE 4.2 technology with just a single coin cell battery. Monitor your heart wherever life takes you. Sanket Life 2.0, trusted by doctors, is made for everyone. Start your health journey today.